The Pakistan military has issued a sharp rebuke to India, accusing New Delhi of trying to rewrite history with outlandish Bollywood-style scripts following the May conflict between the two countries. In a statement on Wednesday, the Inter-Services Public Relations or ISPR said that India was attempting to distort facts and mislead both its public and the international community ahead of upcoming elections. The ISPR said India's political and military leadership have not been able to reconcile with the idea that they were decisively beaten in Marka-e-Haq, the name given to Pakistan's defensive operation during the May war. The statement added that Indian generals were parroting fabricated propaganda under political pressure, calling their rhetoric delusional, provocative, and irresponsible for a nuclear-armed country. The remarks come after Indian Army DGMO Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai claimed India's military was fully prepared during Operation Sindoor, the codename for the India's May 7 strikes on Pakistan. Ghai also alleged that Pakistan's air bases suffered major losses and warned that any future hostilities could be catastrophic for Islamabad, the claim Pakistan has firmly rejected.
Why I also chose to flash in front of you the historical context is that it is not as if Operation Sindoor happened overnight. If you take your mind back to the attack on our parliament back in 2001, we'd then been compelled to carry out some kind of a mobilization on our borders. We remained there for the better part of almost a year. Yet, at that point in time, wiser sense prevailed and we didn't take matters forward. You can see that, retaliation, rockets, drones, I think everything was a dismal failure. And I think in large part to the very strong integrated air defense that we could put up, but everything was a dismal failure. This of course then led us to swing the Indian Air Force into action, and in precision strikes that they carried out on the night of the 9th and 10th of May, now we hit 11 of their air bases, and of late I think the air chief has spoken about that. 8 air bases, 3 hangars and 4 radars were damaged. Pakistani air assets were destroyed on the ground.
Earlier this year, a 4-day war erupted after India launched Operation Sindoor in response to a terrorist attack in Pahalgam, India. India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, closed border crossings, and reduced Pakistan's diplomatic presence, escalating tensions sharply. Pakistan's armed forces retaliated militarily, downing Indian jets and regaining air superiority before a US-brokered ceasefire brought an end to the fight. Since then, both sides have remained on high alert, with troop deployments near the line of control and rhetorical escalations continue. For now, the war of words continue.